Bro, you're spilling it!
Here you go, Billy. Open up.
All right, good morning, everybody. We're headed to Vegas. It says that our gate is 22, but that says American and that says Charlotte, and that's not where we're going. So I'm a little confused as to what the deal is, but let's go over here and check. So it says, yeah, right there, Vegas. Here we go, gate 22. No, we do not. No, we're on Southwest. We don't have lounge access. But now, to be fair, we are here 3 hours early because Marissa got a text from Southwest Airlines saying the baggage belt was broken, and so we had to get her early. Right now it is 5:45. Okay, it took us.
To be fair, you saw a lot of people in those lines stressed out and like panicking.
It took us 15 minutes to get through security. It took us 10 minutes to check our bags because we did the sky cap outside. So we got through in like 25 minutes.
Yeah, so that's a tip I would say is when you know that it's going to be crowded, if they offer where you can do curbside check-in, I mean, just do it. You tip the guy, it was worth $5, so we tipped them.
Yeah, tipped him $5. Well worth it.
Bags get on, and we saw the belt working, and they're gracious too, and they were fast. They printed off the tickets. I think if you have any issues, maybe, but they were like, oh, do you make sure you have your TSA? Now, you know, same thing. In the line for the Southwest, now that was long inside.
Yeah. We skipped all of that. Now we have. In full disclosure, we have TSA pre-check and we have clear, but that clear line was like 50 people deep.
And we asked the guy, and he's like, yeah, it is really long. And so we went, I'm like, I saw a TSA pre-check line moving. I'm like, let's just go to TSA. You sure enough, we were in there, what?
It took us 11 minutes to get through security through TSA. So, again, we have clear, we didn't use it. But thankfully we had TSA pre-check because we got through pretty. So anyways, we have 3 hours now, no lounge access in the Austin airport. And yes, we sound very bougie, but we got to find something to do because...
I think if we would have checked our bags the normal way and gone through regular security, I think an hour. Because I have an app and it tells you how long the lines were. Like to get through it, it said 32 minutes for a regular check. So that is long. And then if you had to wait in line, I would say an hour, but... The people in front of us and behind us were like, oh, we got 3 hours, we got here early. And they're like, that was smart. He's like, I got here, I thought early. And he's like, now I'm like counting the minutes. I'm like, ooh, okay.
We're getting on the plane. They just offered $1,200 for somebody to give up their seat. It was only one seat though. If it was two.
Yeah, but you can always go up there and say, I give you 2. My thing is that to get out today and get in at a decent time, I'll do it.
But I have to bowl at 2:30, so I'm on this plane.
Yeah.
You can stay here. I'll catch you there in Vegas later. Anyways, we're getting on a plane. All right, we made our traditional stop. We got some beers, big beers, over there at the liquor library. Right there. We got the suitcases, but no bowling balls as of yet. So I'm hoping that they are coming around soon. Otherwise, Daddy's gonna go get some new bowling balls at the stadium. That's gonna be expensive. Oh, there they are. All right. Here we are.
Look, Anna.
Anna's holding up the line because she's trying to use her fake ID.
No, she's trying to be like 21.
But this is not expired.
All right, so case in point, if you have a fake ID, you cannot get a new account. Anna tried it, and it didn't work.
It was not. It was
Stop
not
trying
successful.
to be 21.
Yeah, she tried to pass off as 21, and she's like, not here, Missy.
That's not okay because
Maybe at Choctaw that might work, but not here in Vegas.
she has the paper ID though. And so the biggest thing is if you get a hand paid,
Yeah.
Billy's got to be there.
it's gotta be.
All right, we checked in. Marissa's gonna try to flip out.
Okay. This is my first. I'm not going through this.
I'm not gonna do what everybody thinks I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna double my money. You just all watch and you see. And this is my positivity.
So that just gets us
First spin, $60. All right, here we go.
flipping out.
Big money, big money, big money. Well, that's stupid. Come on. Big money, big money, big money. Oh!
All right, we're getting ready to start the Bowler's Journal. So I'm bowling with Billy. Billy and I are on 15 and 16. Dan the man is down there stretching like an old man. He's down there on 21 and 22. And then the Rager boys are right over here. And they're on 13 and 14. So say hi, Chris. You know what? I had full intentions on scoring very high at the Bowler's Journal, especially after last year. And that quickly failed. It was awful. Absolutely awful. Right. We're gonna go back to New York, change, get dressed. And then we're gonna go see a Cirque show. Dan's gonna watch some show. So we scarfed through our dinner, and we are so late. So our show is at 7. It is 6:40 right now. We're gonna be late. We're headed to the Mirage to watch the Beatles Cirque show. And yeah, we're late. All right, this guy got to go más rápido. I don't know. This guy didn't look fast. You want to sit in the front? All right.
Here, you go first.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
The Mirage, right, Joseph?
The Mirage, yes. Man, Johnny got us here in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we have 10 minutes to spare.
If that.
Taking pictures, not gonna be here in 2 weeks. Tearing it down. Ooh, that's where we're going, the Beatles. I'm so excited for this show. All right, we just got out of the Love show. Man, it was amazing. It's not like your traditional Cirque show, so if you're looking for it to be the same, it's not like that. But you gotta hurry though. It's only here for like another month, and then it's gone. But yeah, so it's super awesome. The music was awesome. The acrobats were awesome. But anyways, we are now playing. We have not really won anything. Marissa hits it on the first spin, and then she's done. All right, let's see how this BrewDog looks at night. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh. Uh-oh, what's happening? Why is everybody saying that?
Why is it so quiet?
What's going on? It's so quiet.
It's really quiet.
It's so quiet. I'm so confused. What's happening?
I'm scared. It's really quiet. Can we go up at the brewery?
Hello, 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 hello. Hey, 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 hey,
Stop
hey.
it. It's freaking me out.
Why is it so quiet? Yeah, that was strange. That was so quiet. Whatever. I'm going upstairs because I'm going for brews and views. See?
Brews and Hughes. Some strawberry moon.
Got some pinball machines over there, Billy. All right, we're going up to the top floor. Apparently she said it's closed, but I hear some music, so we going. I don't understand what he said, but we're outside.
Was that English?
I don't know what that was. You can't sit at the tables because they're reserved. It's any of the day beds out there. All that's open seating. This is reserved.
Day beds.
Oh.
Hey.
Why can't we go out there? No, stop.
Oh, this is even better. I want this one. This view is amazing. Look at that. That is so cool. Hey, I'm just excited that I am on the rooftop bar, and it's after. No, it's only like 9. It's only 9. It's only like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, that's right.
But technically, it's midnight back home.
Yeah, it is.
It's 11 o'clock back home.
Hey, we got Prosecco. Did you drink Prosecco?
So, anyways, we're at a rooftop bar in Vegas. That is a definite plus for us. Okay, I realized that I didn't finish recording last night after we went to the Beatles Love show, which was pretty awesome. But we ended up at BrewDog last night, which kudos to us. We've never been out that late here at Vegas because we're 2 hours behind. So it's the next morning and we are running a little late. We're normally downstairs in the casino by 6 because we'd like to see all the people kind of walk in from the bars and see how.
To be fair, one of us was awake and didn't go get me coffee like normal. So I don't see the problem.
So anyway, it's about 7 a.m. I'm gonna actually finish this one here because today is Open Championships Day. We're gonna go to South Point. We're gonna head down for Gamble this morning. So that's the end of this one. Stay tuned for the next one, which will pick you up as we get downstairs for day number 2.